Welcome back, everybody, to Target's Dollar Spot, where if you have between $1 and $5, you can buy some awesome products, like this little artistic sort of potion jar box, or a trick-or-treat tray, or some witch legs, or whatever the heck these things are, but they're kind of fun and have good artwork. Or if you want some scented candles, you can get some in coffin shapes, or pumpkins, or some hanging signs. Definitely comparable to the sort of thing that you'd see at the Dollar Tree, but a bit of a higher quality at a bit of a higher price. Over here we have some candy bowls. Trick or treat, Little Monsters, something or other. The neighbors have the good candy. Those also look like they would be good to put little dioramas inside. And we have some jointed things. I think this little shelf below wasn't quite full, or maybe everybody had grabbed it because this was a dollar shelf. But for $3, you can get 3 tombstones that are chalk painted, and you can put some stuff on there. I like the Target pillows. I think they're a good price usually when they're $3. As we round the corner, you can get a little tree in a pot, or some sort of party wear. These copper mugs are pretty neat.
Spider.
But they've got lots of hand towels and, what is that, decanter tags, and so forth. A wreath for your door. And some glasses or little plants. I like how they put the designs on the insides of these glasses. Or I assume it's probably on the bottom of the glass. This is my favorite. More booze, please. Haha. That works on so many levels. Just some candle holders and various things. We have some light up and glow sticks and whatever the heck this is, a bracelet, I guess. And there we have some reflective slap bracelets. Some false eyelashes and mustaches. Not sure what these things are. Oh, I guess like little noses if you want to be a cat. And of course then you're going to need the cat ears or a little witch's hat. And some bags and baskets to take your candy. Here's some candy that you can put in trick-or-treat bags or pencils. Candy apple pops are disgusting. Anything candy apple flavored in candy I think are awful. Lots of little fun toys. Now, here's some fall merchandise. We are going to kind of just jump around. I did have to move from shelf to shelf, dodging all the people and the staff at the Target. So there's some fall merchandise, but we're going to make our way right back to the Halloween stuff. And more pencils and booklets and things. I actually love these little booklets. I use them at home. You can get some tattoos. Different designs. Or some stickers. Lots of fun things for, well, I'm going to say kids, but for me too. Some activity books. These are fun. You can get erasers in all sorts of different designs, skulls or pumpkins. Some bingo games. So only $1. I guess that'd be good if you're a teacher and had lots of kids. A couple bucks, you could entertain your whole classroom. For $3, I think it is, you can get one of these light-up bats. It's very hard to see, but it does in fact light up. I think that's a little candy piece. Some pumpkin decorating kits. And garland. That witch has a disturbing appearance. Let's see what's in here. Oh, advent calendars. It's kind of neat. Oh, you've been booed. And we've got some various pumpkins, and then some pumpkin placemats, or spiderweb placemats. Various trays and things. Some goo, Lots of little fun crafty things here. Glitter and little bags. Lots of different designs. Target has such wonderful designs. And then all these little things are fun things you can paint. Like a bat. And they come with all the little paints. So great to give to your kids to while away the hours while waiting for Halloween. While you can decorate the larger ones, like this haunted house. Or whatever the heck this is. A witch, I guess. And Frankenstein with big hair. Some stickers. Another activity book. Stickers. Lots and lots of stickers. Press on eyes. I'm not sure what the yarn is for. Looks like you can make a yarn pumpkin or something. I don't know. Blank books. Love them. And little signs that again you can paint. And they come with paint, so that's excellent. Some tea lights, some more little wood things. I don't know what you're supposed to do with these things. But I guess you can paint them. That's a thankful, but they also have some tombstones that you can paint your own message on. Like the little wooden back thing you can make a little project out of. Some stamps. Look at the colors on these stampers. Very fall. Love those. Some chalk if you're doing some of those chalk products. Maybe that's what that blackie is like on that cat there, but I love this little spider. An apple and just some more fall things. Again, more fall, even though I thought that said fail at first. Lots of gourds and pumpkins and things. I thought these at the bottom were going to be those velvet pumpkins I hate so much, but they're actually like wool, which honestly I think are kind of worse. And some country decor. Get you in the fall mood. And not sure. Oh, balloons. You can get some bow tie balloons for some reason. Don't know why that's really here in the Halloween stuff, but you get little lights and skulls or whatnot. Love these little signs. As we make our way down. Again, more little candy holders. Not sure what this thing is. Little Spirit Lane sign. Feels like it's magnetic. Some more dishcloths. And costume pieces. Bat wings or butterfly wings. And boxes, I guess, for stuff. Oh, bottle labels. My bad. This is just like a hodgepodge of stuff. Candle holders, I think that is. That's a really pathetic name. Creep E. Crawley. Nobody's named Creep. But anyway, that's about all they have at the Target, at the dollar spot. But we'll check out the rest of their products soon, so stay tuned. Take care. Happy haunting.